Hello everyone, this is Tabe, Japan. Today we visited Sunshine 60 TENBOU Park. Sunshine 60 TENBOU Park is an indoor observation park located on the 60th floor of the Sunshine 60 building in Ikebukuro, Tokyo. It offers stunning 360-degree views of Tokyo. Let's relax and enjoy the view. The park has a grassy areas where you can sit and relax, and cafe serving snacks and drinks. That's all for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.